brother always has one brothers. He knew that without unity, the differences would be the very cause of their downfall. He wrote to countrymen and women near and far that the only way we can come free is by coming together.
Once, in a forest, a hunter came in and threw a huge net to capture a flock of birds. He laid the net down on the ground and threw grain over it. Innocent birds looking for grains landed on the net, only to get caught. One by one, they tried to disentangle themselves from the net, but the net was too heavy for them, and slowly they became more and more tired. Started losing hope when a crow flew past and seeing them sitting there, landed. How are you, my friend? Have you had your fill of the grain? Oh, crow, my dear friend, crow, we're all caught here. We can't escape, and the hunter is going to catch us and sell us. Help us, please. Have you not tried to disentangle your feet from the net? Yes, we have, but the net is far too heavy. We are going to be caught. Help us, please. The crow thought for a while. And then very wisely said, if all of you flap your wings at exactly the same time, in unison, then I'm sure your combined strength can overcome the weight of the net. Come on, friends, try. You can save yourselves. Try. The birds started flapping their wings in unison, and lo and behold, off they went, united, hanging the net in their feet, but free because they had worked together. united